Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a curtain from TEMU for extremely cheap. So let's get started. So TEMU is an online marketplace that delivers the product directly to the consumers from China within uh, and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here I will just go to temu.com and here is the search button. We will directly search for the curtain and here we press enter. So here we can see many curtains. So curtains comes in multiple variety and colors. So I'm going with this white one. Okay, so here we can see, so it will cost you a $5.78. so it have the two pieces. Okay, so here we can just see it. Okay, so it comes in many sizes. Okay, you can just choose from your size. So here we can see it have three sizes, so we can just choose one of them and we can see the quality. And if you scroll down we can see the review also. So review is also good. And here if you scroll down we can see the details. So here we can see the detail. It is made for a living room. Okay, and here we can see it is made for 100% polyester bends and includes a eyelet. And here we can see the other things also. So to buy you have to click on first as add to cart, then click on buy button, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. So I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money.